Ruhonge rwa wonjoria ni rukoretwo ruri gitugi kia mwanya hari guturira namba nene ya Kenya mieke miingi ya mawira na gutuma memathire uboco wao wa o muthenya. No na gutario uguo ruhonge ruru kurikana na mwandiki mukaru ministry ya wonjoria Chris Kipto no ruthiete na mbere na kugumirwo ni mihinga itiganite ya thoko magoti hari wendia wa indo nja ya bururi o undu umwe na wagi wa njira njega cia kwigwatira uhoro wa kiguni na niguo kuhura njeki wonjoria-ini.
70% of what we sold as exports last year, exports of goods, went to 12 markets. We have over 193 countries. So where is 181? We have narrow range of markets. So we want to diversify our markets through this policy.
Nikuhetukira undu uyu ministry ya wonjoria iruguritie mutaratara kiumbe uria uguteithiriria kugacirithia wonjoria guku bururi-ini na nja ya bururi na njira ya kweheria mihinga eno hamwe na kuhinyiriria Kenya makorwo makigura na kuhuthira indo iria ithondekeirwo guku bururi-ini.
We have the national export strategy under development at the moment, and later in the year we will be able to launch our strategy in continuing the path of growth in our exports that would be so critical for our development. This strategy should enable us to increase our exports contribution to GDP from the current 8% to as high as 15% in the medium term and hopefully 30% in the long term.
Kugerera ndomereri yake ĩrĩa thomirwo ni minister wa kigina Henry Rotich, muthamaki wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta ni akuranite itemi rĩa bata rĩrĩa riumanaga na ruhonge ruru akiuga kuma mwaka-ini wa 2013 kigina gĩa bururi kĩrĩa kiumanaga na wonjoria ni kĩambatĩrĩte nginya gĩcunjĩ gĩa 11 harĩ igana.
We have witnessed a double-digit growth in exports by 11% between 2013 and 2016 as a result of the duty-free market access that the government has secured through trade agreements as well as preferential trade arrangements with over 50 countries having a combined population of over 1.4 billion.
Kurugurio kwa mutaratara uyu mweru uria urakurikana ta National Trade Policy ni werĩgĩrĩirwo gukorwo ukigacĩrithia wonjoria guku bururi-ini na muno makiria hari gutigirira ati ruhonge ruru ni rwacangira na njira nene hari gukura Utonga wa bururi nginyanagia gĩcunjĩ gĩa 10 harĩ igana. Muigai wa Gathungo, Kameme TV wonjoria kuma nyumba-ini ya micemanio ya KICC guku muciĩ wa Nairobi.